So the work is done and the night is young. Ang arte. Pagkatotoo. So this day of adventure is just beginning. I'm gonna do the Liyue. I don't know how to say it. Liyue night market. So it's one of the more well-known night markets here in Kaohsiung. As in pangalan niya, Liyue Tourist Night Market. So the fact na ganun yung pangalan niya, I think it's a big deal. So let's see what the fuss is all about. Rushing! It's around 7:16, so I gotta hurry up. So pork belly kimchi roll. It's good though. Oh my god. So the pork kimchi roll, tinanong sa akin kung gusto ko bumanghang. Of course I said yes. And how smart am I? Wala pa akong dalang drinks. So, bottoms up. I mean, young. Mali. Oh my gosh, sobrang sarap. Very kikiam yung flavor. And yung anghang, sobrang bearable. Kayang-kaya siya. And oh my gosh, ang laki ng serving. Are you kidding? Diba? Another day, another milk tea. So, di siya matamis. I mean, di siya super tamis. Sakto lang. That's really good. Kasi mas nalalasa ko yung milk and the tea. Malamang. Food trip with the pork hamstring rice. Well, yun yung sabi nung translation. Lol. So let's try it out. Dami ba though? But I think that's the appeal of it. Sarap. Parang papatim. Ganun yung mood. I mean, ganun yung vibe. Sarap naman. Very filling though. So yung place na lang to, it's not just about food. May mga stuff din, may mga merchandise, souvenirs, clothes, ganun.
Thank you.
Thank you. So itong Taiwanese sausage, this is similar to the one that I got dun sa Jiufen. Medyo gets ko na kung ano siya. So yung parang bun is made out of rice. Yan. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. I remember dati parang sobrang busog na busog ako kasi they use sticky rice. Kaya so parang mas mabigat, gano'n. So let's try it out. So I just finished going to this Liyue night market and then I'm off to another place. So I'm gonna go to the Love Boat gondola para para maganda daw sa gabi. So may mga light installations, sculptures sa dagat, sa river. So let's see if may maabutan ako. So 3 days in, how I'm seeing and feeling about Kaohsiung so far, muntik na akong bagayan, is it's much more peaceful. Hindi siya hustle and bustle of Taipei, which I appreciate kasi mas chill. Ramdam mo talaga. I felt na the people here were friendlier or baka mas extrovert lang kasi ako ngayon, and then they reciprocate. And overall, parang I feel much better in this trip than the one in Taipei. Maybe I'll go back to Taipei next time kapag may seat sale. But yeah, I'll be leaving tomorrow. So this time tomorrow actually, I'll be in Bangkok. Pero tomorrow pa yon. And yeah, sana mabutan ko yung river. So after a bit of a walk from Tianjin Station, as in parang mga 20 minutes na walk, di ako ready. Pero yun kasi yung nearest na MRT station. So I'm here at the Love Boat Gondola. So one ticket is 150 New Taiwanese dollars. And nagsasabi naman sila kung kailan yung next boarding for the next gondola. So time check, it's 9:14 and tatlo pa lang kami. I'm not sure kung paano sila nakapunta sa boat kasi naka-barricade pa. So I'm not sure paano sila nakapasok. Anyways, yeah. So alam ko mas masaya siya kapag umaga kasi you get to appreciate the sights more and all. Tsaka makakapag-picture ka. Pero I think there's a certain appeal na gabi. Or am I just saying this kasi wala akong chance pumunta dito on the daytime. But yeah, I guess it's much more intimate. And iba din kapag makikita mo yung mga lights. So let's see how it goes. Oh, and I forgot, meron pa palang pagkain. So yung sausage from kanina, yes, it's still here kasi sobrang init, di ko po siya makain. So umabot siya hanggang Love River. So very similar yung sausage that I tried before and this one. Eto, mas mabigat. I can feel it. Baka kasi kumain ako ng marami kanina. But yung sticky rice kasi sobrang ang bigat. So it's not my favorite thing, but if it's there, I'll try it out. So yun yung price list. So regular ticket. Usually regular ticket lang naman tayo as tourists. So I got aboard on the gondola na. And yung tsura nyo, it's quite spacious. Lahat naman may upuan. But yeah, I'm waiting for others pa to join in. May biglang dumating na parang group tour. So medyo madami sila. So, at least di ako mag-isa. Oh my gosh, may mga tumatalon na fish. So I think they're making fun of me kasi ako lang yung Pinoy dito. I mean, ako lang yung hindi Chinese dito. So, yung commentary niya, full on Chinese. I mean, that's okay. I can appreciate naman the place, the area. It's quite peaceful actually. So I just finished the Love Boat on the Love River tour. Well, I can say na na-appreciate ko siya kasi wala akong naintindihan sa commentary. Though I got to see some cool mga artworks, mga sculptures on water. Tsaka nakita ko din yung Kaohsiung Music Museum. So parang siya, naka-shape siya like honeycomb. So super cool architecture. So yun talaga kapag when you're in Kaohsiung, it's the architecture, it's the art. It's very much everywhere.
The next day.
So good morning, it's my last day in Kaohsiung. Nakapack na yung stuff ko. Of course, naka-open pa yung laptop ko kasi I'm still working. But overall, the accommodation that I stayed in, it's very nice. Lalo kapag you're solo traveling kasi very perfect siya. Kahit may work ka or may kailangan kang gawin, very cozy yung room. Maraming plugs, maganda yung ilaw. Super lamig ng aircon, pero sometimes masakit siya sa katawan. And what can I say pa ba? For the shower room, it's very nice, very tidy naman. Maraming showers, maraming toilets. It's very clean. So I'd rate it 10 out of 10. And it really helps na may free water dispenser. So kahit bumili ka lang ng tubig one time, and then the rest, i-refill mo na lang. So it's very efficient. So I give that a 10 out of 10 for this accommodation. Yung location din niya, it's very near the MRT. So location-wise, it's very near the train stations. Convenience stores, medyo malayo. It's like a 5 to 10 minute walk, pero manageable din naman. But yeah, location-wise, it's perfect. And if you want to go here, let me know if you have any questions. Ganun. Also, I'm with my work friends. So, hi guys. So they're keeping me company. So parang nagta-travel din sila with me. Ay, no, naglalag. But yeah, baka next time sila naman kasama ko in person. Let's see. On the road again. So, I'm at the airport. Pero it's 12 p.m., 6 o'clock na yung flight. So I'm just chilling here kasi I need somewhere to stay para mag-work. So work is life. The digital nomad life is choosing me. So, yeah, may mga meetings ako today, but everything is chill naman. Kaohsiung, it's a quieter place. I really appreciate it. The people, they're fun. Well, not really super fun, but they're nice, they're kind. And mas nag-enjoy ako in this trip kahit may work ako. And I feel more of the culture here. I don't know, baka kasi provincial area. But yeah, that's just for me. And I do recommend going here, lalo na kapag may mga piso sale. Usually sa AirAsia may mga piso sale sila. Going here to Kaohsiung. So I highly recommend that if you have a weekend or like kahit 3 days to spare. Baka pwede kayo mag-leave on Friday and then weekend. So parang okay na yun for a quick getaway vacation adventure. So, yeah. So I'm here na sa boarding gate going to Don Mueang, Bangkok. And I was losing all hope na kasi di ako makahanap ng magnet. So of course duty free, I found this one. So super cute though. So it says Kaohsiung. Nandiyan yung mga artworks, even the music center, the tram, so super cute. It's made out of wood. Medyo mahal siya, 150. So I'm not sure lang how much that costs, pero parang mga 300 or something. But yeah, mukhang high quality naman.